So before I move on to the next activity, I would just like to summarize our for loop versus while loop comparison, when to use for and when to use while loops. So general rules, when you know how many number of times you need to run a piece of instruction, certain portion of the instruction. So counting from 0 to 9, you can use a range function to run that piece of code that many number of times. Or you want to iterate over a container, all the elements in a container. Okay, you can also iterate over a container using while loop as well, but this is a straightforward process because you know for 100 times I need to run. Okay, while loop is used when you're not sure when the condition will satisfy. Just like take an example of a password entry, you do not know when the user will enter the correct password. Okay, so keep checking until the certain conditions satisfy. Make sense? Great. Nested loops, we have talked about nested if-else structure, nested list, and nested loops. I gave an example also yesterday. So there is no limitation of like how many loops you can nest. You can nest as many loops as you want. Usually there are 2 nested loops or 3 nested loops, so outer loop and inner loop they are referred as. So for every iteration of the outer loop, inner loop runs completely. So for every iteration of this outer loop, the entire thing, whatever you write inside it, no matter how many nested loops are there, they will run that many number of times. Okay. So here you can nest for within for, while within while with for within while, or while within for. You can use any combination. There is no restriction. So for example, for this one, what do you think? This print statement is going to run how many number of times? What do you think this print statement is going to run how many number of times? So first of all, look, this print statement is going to run how many number of times? If we are talking only about this one, 3 times, and whatever we have written here is going to repeat 5 times. Okay, so 5 times 3 is total 15. Okay,